Namaste to all my viewers. Advanced KP Stellar Astrology online Zoom classes we are going to conduct. Qualification is basic knowledge in KP astrology or 3 to 4 years experience in traditional astrology also it is eligible for this course. Starting date is 24/6/2023, that is this month 24th June 2023. English medium. Weekly 3 days doubt clarification by Zoom classes. Actually, the classes is 45 numbers pre-recording videos. Each videos is 30 minutes each. Will be sent our student weekly 5 to 7 videos through YouTube private link. For this video pre-recorded video, we will send initially this video doubt clarification by Zoom classes. Wednesday and the weekend doubt clarification classes 45 minutes 15 classes through Zoom meeting. Wednesday 7 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. IST. Saturday 7 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. IST. Sunday 8 a.m. to 8:45 a.m. IST. Doubts clarify classes are also recorded and uploaded in YouTube, and it will be sent to the student through YouTube private link. Because some of the student may not attend because of the any busy schedule, or the doubt clarification classes it will be again you have to see. Therefore, it will be sent to our students. Classes conducted by Jyotisha Kalanidhi A. Devaraj, Chennai. Course fees is 7,500 rupees Indian rupees. Student doubts will be clear in the following ways. Actually, we are sending 45 numbers pre-recording videos, 30 minutes each. The doubts, most of the syllabus will be covered. The doubt will be clear the following ways. One is 45 minutes Zoom meeting. Second is student are welcome to ask to doubt in the WhatsApp group also. Actually, the students which are joining in this online course all are combined in WhatsApp group. These doubts through WhatsApp group doubts, sometime it will be, if it is small doubt, directly we will give the answer. Otherwise, it will be clear in upcoming Zoom meeting. Once the email ID and the full course payment, that is 7,500 rupees received, study material to be sent their WhatsApp or email within 1 or 2 days after receiving the student's email ID. Our pre-recording 20 videos will be start to send immediately, and remaining 25 videos will be sent after the class starts. Actually, once we received the payment, immediately we will send a pre-recording video 20 videos, because the class will be starts another 20, it will take 20 days. Therefore, meantime they have to watch our lessons. That is why immediately we will send the 20 videos. Remaining the 25 videos we will be sending weekly 4 or 5 videos. Our pre-recording videos will be sent through YouTube private link. Our student only can see those videos. Lifelong they can see, it will not be deleted. For more clarification, please call my cell number 9382339084 or our WhatsApp group admin Mr. Rajashekar, cell number 8778590567. Google Pay number is 9445721 Phone Pay number is 9382339084. For any further details, please call our cell number 9382339084 or our website www.astrodevaraj or www.kpastrologyclass.com. Topics covered in this subject is importance of Cuspal Interlinks, that means CIL concept, principle and golden rule in Cuspal Interlinks, that is inner and outer Bhava Karaka explanation, importance of potential of all Bhavas, importance of Dasa Buddhi, application of Cuspal Interlinks, birth time rectification and ruling planet, finance and money astrology, job and profession astrology, marriage astrology, education astrology, medical astrology, childbirth astrology, property astrology, timing of events astrology, share market astrology, foreign travel astrology, business astrology, various horoscope in analyzation also. Transit analysis, horary or prasanna prediction technique. Note those who are coming in our online training, please watch our English YouTube channel also. For more detail, please contact our cell number 9382339084. Our website is www.astrodevaraj.com or www.kpastrologyclass.com. Thank you very much.